learn about alliteration. What is mean by alliteration? The use of same consonant letter or sound at the beginning of words that are close together is called alliteration. For example, wrapped. Here the same letter P is twice repeated. Yes, togetherly the P is coming. So it denotes as the one P, wrapped. Okay. Yes, we saw some examples also yesterday, and also now we are moving to phonic junction. How to pronounce a word we are going to see, right? Read the following sentence. We bought many new toys for the new baby. The word new has the long vowel sound U. See here, new, N-E-W. New, it is the spelling, but here is the U sound. Yes, vowel U sound, new, U. See here, pronounce and say new. Yes. Next, cube. Next, mew, cute, huge, stew, and tune also have the same sound. Do you see the difference in the spelling of the same sound? Let us read some more words that have the long vowel U sound. Okay, now you also say after me. Okay, mule. Say mule. Value. See value. U. Value. Tube. Tube. Okay, now due. New. Cue. Use. Amuse. Rescue. New. Refuse. Excuse. Okay, now read the following sentence from the story. Papa said, I will take you to see your mother soon. What is the difference between this you and soon? See here, it is you, okay, short you. It is soon, long you, okay va? Now, in the words soon and you, we see right, we saw right, you soon and you and oo have the same sound, while the oo sound in foot has a shorter sound, foot, in foot, but u sound is used as a shorter u, okay va? Now next one, let us look at some more words. Here is long oo and short oo, okay va? We are going to see two types of u, long u and short u. First one, soon. Say after me, soon. Spoon, snooze, you, through. Next is soup. See here, first soon. The u sound is length, long, right? Spoon, snooze. Next, took, look, book, could, would, should. Okay. Now I am going to read some sentence. You want to find which word has the u sound and which word has the long u and short u. You just want to describe like this. Okay, long u and short u. I am going to read 5 sentences. You want to find which word has this u pronunciation. This is your homework, okay? Be ready, okay? I will meet you. This dog is very cute. I bought a new bag. A thick layer of dew covers the plants. This is a huge tree. Once again I repeat. First one, I will meet you. I will meet you. And the second, this dog is very cute. And the third one, I bought a new bag. And the fourth, a thick layer of dew covers the plants. And the fifth one, this is a huge tree. Okay, now we are moving to grammar junction. Now we are going to see okay, in lower class we learn about conjunctions, right? Fan boys. Fan boys we learn, right? Fan boys. What is it? F for, A for and N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for it, S for since. We all know about the fan boys. These are the conjunction words, and also you learned in the previous class and, but, and means both, right? But means this but and also but, likewise we say na, right? And or, these are the after, before, when, while. These conjunction you learned in the previous class, right? Okay, now we are moving to new word conjunctions. What are the new words we are going to see means because, since and as. How to pronounce it? Because, since, as. Okay. Now, the house was filled with joy because of my little sister. The house fully filled with joy. Because is the reason. Saying the reason, the little sister only the reason for joy of the house. Okay, this is a conjunction because here used. Next, the word because is used in the above sentence to show the reason for all the joy in the house. Yes, right? The word since and as. Because is the reason and since is also used for the reasons, to show reason. Next, words that join a group of words or sentences are called conjunction. What is meant by conjunction? A sentence. See here, if there is two sentences means, if we add conjunction here, the sentence will be continued. The sentence will be make us one, right? And also a group of words. In the group of words, we add and conjunction. How? If I say I have pen, pencil, eraser and sharpener, and is a conjunction, right? Likewise, a list of things. For everything, we use conjunction to connect both sentences, and they appear either at the beginning of a sentence or within a sentence. If the conjunction start from the beginning means, okay, if the conjunction, for see here one example is there, as it was raining, comma, if the conjunction is in the first part means, which means in the starting means we want to put comma for the first part. Okay, as it was raining, comma, Neha did not go out to play. Okay, we add a comma between two parts of a sentence if we begin the sentence with a conjunction. Since it was windy, see here also, since it was windy, we decided to fly kites. See here also, at the starting, since, okay, since in the beginning, since conjunction is used so that here we put the comma for separate the sentence. Okay, now And in the as also, as it was raining, comma, Neha did not go out to play. As it was raining, Neha did not go out to play. Here is raining, so she didn't go out to play. Okay, as conjunction is used in the beginning, so here we put comma. Okay, now we are going to do the exercise. Okay, read these sentences and circle the conjunctions in them. Read these sentences and circle the conjunctions in them. See here, he could not write properly because he had broken his hand. Here what is conjunction here used? Yes, first one because. All of you circle the because. Circle the because. Yes. And second one, as it was snowing, Lynn could not see the bend in the road. As, yes. We already see as? Yes, as. Circle the as. Yes, next, third one. Since Soya was late to office, she took an auto. See here, since used in the beginning of a sentence, so there is comma at the end of a sentence, right? At the middle of the sentence, okay? Next, here also since. Yes, next fourth one. Since it is Sunday, everybody is going out. Since it is Sunday, everybody is going out. Here which is the conjunction? Since. And here comma is used? Yes, because since conjunction used in the beginning of a sentence. Next one, fourth one, since answer. Next fifth one, I could not attend the party as I had to complete my assignment. Here which is the conjunction? I could not attend the party as, yes, as is the conjunction, right? Okay, now circle the as. See here, is there any comma is there? No. Why didn't comma is there? Because as is used between the sentence to join two sentences. So there is no comma. If the as come in the beginning means we want to put comma. Okay. Okay students, now this second part, let me move to the second part. Complete these sentences with the help of the conjunctions given in the box. You may use a conjunction more than once. You can use more than once this conjunction. Okay, va? Now, Rahim could not ride the cycle dash it was too big for him. Why it is too big for him? It is a reason. Okay, Rahim could not ride the bicycle. He not able to ride the bicycle. Reason. Which reason we will give here? As. Yes. What reason will come? As. Second one. Here as. Okay. Now, Geeta could not go to school dash she was not feeling well. Geeta could not go to school. Geeta is not going to school dash she was not feeling well. Always we use this sentence, right? I am not feeling well because I not go to school because I am feeling not well. Likewise we can say, right? Because. Yes. Now the third one, dash the theatre was close by decided to walk. Dash the theater was close by. We decided to walk. Which word will come? As. As the theater was close by. In the beginning we use the conjunction as. So we want to put comma in the sentence. Okay. Now fourth one. Dash we were in Delhi. We thought we would visit the Red Fort and Qutub Minar. Dash we were in Delhi. We thought we would visit the Red Fort and Qutub Minar. We since this denotes the timing. Okay, since we are in Delhi, we go to visit that Qutub Minar and also the Red Fort. So here answer is since. Next, the fifth one. He switched on the heater. Dash it was getting too cold. He switched on the heater. Dash it was getting too cold. What is the conjunction here we want to use? As. Next, the sixth one. Dash the test was postponed. We played basketball. Dash the test was postponed. We played basketball. Since the test was postponed, we played basketball. Since the test was postponed, we play basketball. Okay, now next, third one. Complete these sentences by adding a reason using conjunction. Also use commas wherever necessary. If we want to put comma means we want to write. Okay. Now first one. First one, he drank a lot of water. How we can finish this sentence? What conjunction we can use? He drank a lot of water. Why he drank a lot of water? We want to write some reason, right? Okay, what reason we can give? Yes, because the climate is very hot or because the weather is very hot. First one, half sentence is that. Then we want to write because the climate is very hot. Okay, now second sentence. Here see, in front they give the dash. So we want to fill the sentence and join the conjunction. Okay, dash he did not know swimming. He did not know swimming. What we can join here? Yes, he not went to river. He not went to river to take bath. He not went to river to take bath. Because here conjunction we use, right? Here also we use conjunction. Okay. To take bath because he did not know swimming. Okay, now the third one. Dash he did not have enough money. Dash he did not have enough money. He not having enough money. Why? What? I think he want to new something, buy something new, right? So he want money. So he didn't have enough money. That is the reason we are going to give. He not bought a car because, here we use the conjunction because, then the sentence will be continue. He did not have enough money. See the reason? He had not bought a car because he have no money, enough money. Next, fourth one. We cancelled our trip to Goa. We cancelled. Already we planned to go trip to Goa, but now we cancelled. There is some reason. What reason means? Because the weather is not good. Okay, next, fifth one. Dash we decided to play indoor games. For one reason, they planned to play in indoor games. They decided not want to go out for the playing, right? Okay, what conjunction we can give here? Yes, as it is rainy. As it is rainy, then if, as, see here, as conjunction used in the beginning of a sentence. So we want to put comma. Okay, see the sentence. As it is rainy, we decided to play indoors. Okay. We learn because, since and what conjunction? As conjunction, right? Okay. I hope you are clear about this topic. Thank you, students.